Tesla Valet Mode is a built-in security feature designed to limit access and functionality when you temporarily entrust your car to others, such as valets or mechanics. It restricts the vehicle's speed, typically to 70 miles per hour. It disables access to personal data, like navigation history and contacts. It's essentially a risk mitigation tool to prevent misuse or theft. To activate Valet Mode from inside your Tesla, start by navigating to controls on the touchscreen. From Controls, select Safety and Security to access the Valet Mode option. Then select Valet Mode from the Safety and Security menu. You'll be prompted to enter a 4-digit PIN. This PIN is required to deactivate the mode later, so remember it. Setting a speed limit can also be done at this point to give the valet more control over the car. To turn off Valet Mode from within the car, simply follow the same steps as activation. Start by tapping Controls on the touchscreen. Then select Safety and Security from the menu options. Choose Valet Mode to access the deactivation settings. Enter the 4-digit PIN you previously set when activating Valet Mode. Once the correct PIN is entered, Valet Mode will be deactivated, restoring full access to your Tesla's features and removing any speed or feature limitations. You can also enable Valet Mode remotely using the Tesla mobile app, available on both iOS and Android devices. First, select your vehicle within the app. Then, navigate to the Controls section in the app. From there, toggle Valet Mode on. You'll still need to set a PIN, which you can do through the app interface. Make sure your car is online and linked to your account for this to work. Since late 2024, Supercharger pay-per-use eligibility is no longer required to enable Valet Mode through the app. To deactivate Valet Mode remotely via the Tesla app, start by opening the app on your phone. Once logged in, navigate to the Controls section from the main menu. In the Controls section, locate the Valet Mode toggle and switch it off. This will begin the deactivation process. You will then be prompted to enter the PIN code that you set when you activated Valet Mode. Enter the code and confirm to complete the deactivation. While Valet Mode is active, several features are restricted to ensure security and protect your personal data. Let's explore what limitations are in place. On the Tesla touchscreen, Valet Mode appears as shown here, indicating the active restrictions. When active, the vehicle is limited to a maximum speed of 70 miles per hour as displayed on this digital gauge. Feature access is also restricted, shown by this power meter indicating limited functionality. Specific limitations include autopilot being disabled, though full self-driving remains unaffected. Media controls are locked to prevent access to personal content. Access to Tesla account settings is blocked. However, the vehicle can still be charged normally. Remote commands are limited for security, and personal data such as navigation history, contacts, and certain app integrations are protected. Tesla's Valet Mode uses a unique PIN per activation to prevent unauthorized use. The mode can't be bypassed without the owner's credentials, thanks to the vehicle's onboard computer. Recent software updates have also added optional biometric authentication, fingerprint or Face ID on compatible models for increased security, reducing the need to rely solely on PIN codes. Valet Mode sees widespread use in luxury venues and service centers. For instance, at events like the Monaco Grand Prix, Tesla owners use it to prevent misuse of stored Tesla credits. Mechanics use it to limit access to essential diagnostics without compromising owner data. Experts like Elon Musk and safety analysts at the Tesla praise Valet Mode for enhancing peace of mind and mitigating risks in shared vehicle use. Tesla's 2025 data shows a 12% drop in misuse claims for vehicles with regular Valet Mode use.